What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Sasha Talia. So today's video is something exciting for me. Who else loves JLo? Because I love JLo. And so recently her makeup artist Scottbarnes did a video with a Tati Westbrook, and I'll link that video down below because you just have to watch this video if you love makeup and love learning certain techniques as well. Definitely watch that video, watch this video as well. So I want to go ahead and follow Scottbarnes techniques. So if you want to see how to turn this face into this, then keep on watching. Okay, so I have this on my phone and we're gonna follow step by step of what Scottbarnes is doing to Tati, because pretty much this is what he does on JLo. So I don't have pretty much all the products that he uses, but there's alternatives that we can use. So let's get started.
Palette to work with. I always start with contouring.
Okay, so he's
dark and then I add the light. It's not about.
Okay, so he's starting with contouring first.
Contouring.
So he's starting with the concealer, and I'm using the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion. And he said he does not use primer, so we're not going to use primer today.
Right.
Okay.
Sometimes
So we're bringing that highlight up here.
Okay, couple brushes.
Okay, and then he has this whole portion of the forehead filled, and then do the center of the chin. He's using a brush like this, which he's calling the cat paw. So let's go ahead and blend this on out. Okay, and I'm gonna trust the process of Scottbarnes because he is a makeup genius. For the nose portion, we're gonna blend. You're gonna flick this out. BH Cosmetics brush and number 4, the marble set. And then I am taking my Wet n Wild contour stick, and this is the shade Where's Walnut. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and brush that onto my brush. And we're gonna go ahead and contour. And so he likes to start off with all creams. So that is what we're doing. This is like so different. Let me know if you guys have ever tried this technique before, trying your creams pretty much under your foundation. He does this portion right here. Okay, that's giving us a nice shadow. Like, my face looks snatched. Okay. Let's keep on.
Oh, sure do.
I know.
Oh,
I'm joking. Minimizing your forehead.
Okay, forehead.
Like sitting right here, so just take it down. That's all.
Okay, we're contouring the nose.
Which is an issue. Now the trick to having a fuller lip is not overlining.
Okay. So nose, we're gonna do a button nose. So right at the tip. I'm gonna make a line straight up the bridge of the nose. Looks like he's doing the lips. I'm gonna take the Morphe E36 brush. And we're gonna contour our lips, and you wanna go a little bit on the outside of your lip line. So it's like a nice shadow. So we're starting with foundation. I'm gonna use the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation in 7.5. It's my first time trying it, so hopefully everything works out great. I've been wanting to try this foundation out for the longest, so today is the day. So I'm gonna pump that onto my hand. And then it looks like he likes using a brush out first. I'm gonna use the BH Cosmetics number 4 brush. And pretty much not disturbing that contour that we have right here. Pretty much going around the perimeters. And then he goes over, he stipples over the lips. And it leaves like a nice little shadow right there. Y'all, what? Okay, so I went ahead and blended out my nose contour with the brush that I use for blending out my concealer. I just pretty much went over it, and then I went also on top with my foundation brush that I was using. I pretty much just stippled around it just to blend everything out. He did reveal what he uses for her JLo glow, and I was trying to use other stuff that I have at the house, but I was like, no, I need to go to like Walmart or wherever to buy his like secret is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Body Mist Sunscreen 100 plus, and I had to at least have something that he used in the video. So we're gonna go ahead and use this. He missed the whole chest area, so we're gonna go ahead and try that out. Okay, gonna miss. Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't know how much I was supposed to use. Wow. Then he goes in with a bronzer shimmer. I'm gonna go with my Armani and ABH highlighter, and I'm just gonna start putting that pretty much all over my body. Like what? He like literally put this all over. Oh, I can't wait for summer. I'm like spinning all in my chair. Wow. Like, what the heck? Okay. Let's go ahead and keep on. He is just magical.
Where you just do the contour under and then you do.
It's barely better than powder.
Okay. One thing I really don't have is the one thing I really don't have is blush. Let me see what I have. Okay, so I do have one blush, and it's a little bit of an orange tint called Hot Flush. So we're just gonna use a little bit of that. He does use a pretty much all liquids, but I don't have a liquid blush, so I'm just gonna tap that on. Just the apples of the cheeks. Just a little bit. What is next?
It looks like it's coming from inside the skin. We want you to look like a baby.
I'm very happy. I need to go places after this. So.
Okay, next is highlight for the skin. So I'm taking my ABH and Armani. We're just gonna highlight. To the brow bone. Okay, so we're moving on with lips. I'm using my Anywhere Caffeine from Makeup Forever. I'm gonna go ahead and line the lips. Okay, so I'm gonna use my gloss in Over the Top from Dose of Colors with Katie and Desi, their collab that they did. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. Y'all, I am obsessed over this glow. Like, what the heck? Oh my goodness. Okay, so we're gonna do a little bit of powder and some bronzer. So I'm just gonna powder a little bit with my Laura Mercier because I don't have like a compact that has like a translucent in there. So I'm just gonna use my Laura Mercier. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M438 brush, and we're just gonna go ahead and apply that to where we put that concealer. The snatchery that's happening. What the heck? Okay. Bronzer. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit fluffier brush, and I'm gonna go in with MAC Give Me Sun. And we're just gonna apply that over where we put our cream contour. And then we want to connect this to our sides of the face, forehead. Do some on the nose. Okay, so we're gonna do brows next. He uses a powder, but I'm just gonna go in with my pencil real quick. I do have darker brows, so I'm just gonna fill it in just a little bit. Nothing too crazy. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with the eyes. I'm gonna be using my Naked Reloaded palette from Urban Decay, and I'm taking my Morphe number 9 BH Cosmetics Marble Brush Set, and I'm gonna take the shade called, or the name, this dark brown called In Game, and we're just gonna apply that to the crease area, and we're gonna round this out just a tad bit. And just take your time with applying this darker shade first. Okay, after applying that color in the crease, I'm gonna apply a little bit on the lower lashes, lower lash line. And we're just gonna connect the two. And then I'm gonna take a lighter shade called Bucked. That way we can blend that shade on out. My finger, I'm gonna take the shade Burn, and I'm gonna apply that to the center portion of the lid, and then a little bit of Reputation on top of that, and then go ahead and blend these shades together. Okay, y'all, so I went off camera and I applied some lashes These lashes are a little bit more extreme, but it's what I have at the moment. So I'm using the Batty Bee lashes in extra, which I love these lashes. They are so nice, and they're sold for a really good price, so I really suggest these lashes. I went ahead and put some mascara on and everything, and yeah, this completes the look that I followed from Scottbarnes of when he did Tati's makeup. Mine is a little bit darker, like with the eyes and stuff, because I don't have like what he used, because his shadows hasn't, like what he used on Tati didn't come out just yet. So can't wait to see that when he launches that product. Let me know what you guys think. Like, do you like the way this looks? I do. I like this right here is game changer. During the summer too, like I sprayed this maybe what 20 minutes ago or so, and it still looks so shiny. I applied my highlighter on, and it just, your skin just looks so healthy and just has that J-Lo glow, which I'm sure everyone wants to have her glow. So I do like the way Scottbarnes does his application with just doing the creams on top first and then going in with your bronzer and your translucent powder and everything like that. This just looks so beautiful, and I do love the trick of the lip line with the contour stick. Like, that's game changer too. I feel like my lips look fuller and just really pretty. I am so impressed. I feel like I might have to keep on doing my makeup like this, because the end result is amazing. And even like in person, I don't look crazy or anything like that, so that is a plus. Yeah, I'll probably try this more in my other videos to come, so hopefully you guys try this. Hopefully you guys try out how to, you know, a different switch up on how to do your foundation, just your whole routine. It just looks so flawless, and I can see why, like all her pictures and stuff, like it looks so beautiful. So I'll get up and close. So if you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Go ahead and comment down something down below. Makeup products, beauty, anything in general. I love getting back to you guys. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and become part of my family. And let's be friends. So yeah, go ahead and click that button down below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.